and welcome to my channel. So today we are making a beautiful landscape painting. So I am starting with some random lines. Up here, starting with the sky using blues and purple color and just spreading them with the white color shade. Here I am using dark brown, or you can say chocolate brown color. Here I am using a basic green color shade to color the greenery here above the rocks, and adding more details with the black color. So around this small rock, I am going to draw some grass here with a dark green color. So right here I am using blue color mixed with green color, or maybe just like my nail paint color. Yes, you can say that. So I am filling this whole area with the blue color, and right here like the waterfall effect. So right here I am giving some sloppy effect to the rocks and using some darker shades. So now we have got a very beautiful sloppy effect right here, and I have used some lighter shade for this. For the left side, I'm adding some more texture and details to make it look more natural. So right here in the middle I am going to use full white color for the thickness here, like the water falling down. So now I'm painting this whole area below with a green grassy texture. Adding more details to the water by using the white color. Painting 2 more waterfalls, and yes, this will look so great. Using the blues color with the white and adding some rough lines here. Painting some leaves with the light green shade. And then lighter and darker shades. Just don't blend too much. painting some purples and yellow flowers. You can add different flowers here, and you can also use different colors. And now I am giving some details, adding some stems with the black pen, and right here also giving some more details. And yes, we have done the painting process, and now this is the final step, and this one is my most favorite process of removing this paper tape. So I hope that you liked this video and enjoyed the process. If you are new to my channel, just keep watching and subscribe to my channel. And also I am doing name art and font lettering videos just for you guys, and you can drop your names in the comment section to get your videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Thanks for watching.